Hello and welcome, dear friends. In this video, I want to show you something quick and easy. We'll look at the AI system built into the WPML plugin. I'll explain how you can use artificial intelligence to handle your translations automatically. Let's get started and see how this feature actually works. Translate your entire site in under a minute using this method. And these AI translations don't sound robotic at all. They read naturally, the way a human translator would phrase things. And it's great for SEO too, since search engines pick up the localized content right away. If you leave your translations to artificial intelligence, you practically get the best result without extra editing afterward. The method I'm going to teach you works with WPML, a free, open system, one where you can plug in your own settings. You can connect to different AI providers like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or DeepSeek. Choose whichever one fits your needs best, depending on what you're trying to do. But keep this in mind as you decide. I have no connection with WPML at all, and never have had one. I'm simply a software developer. Nothing more than that. So please understand, this video doesn't imply any partnership, sponsorship, or connection between me and them. I'm just going to introduce an add-on plugin to you now, and I'll teach you how to use it to do a lot of things better. This matters especially now, since some artificial intelligence providers translate really well these days. Claude, for example, can do a great job with this kind of translation work. It works in whatever language you choose to set it to. Whatever language you pick, it tries to give you good quality writing in that language. So what you end up with is a genuinely good result. You can see it showing right there on the screen. I'm Madi, and let's get started on this together. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. I've spent several years working in website design and programming. WordPress is my main focus, and I'm here to share what I've learned with you. So how do we go about translating our own site here, without doing it all by hand? We're going to use a plugin to take care of that for us. It's an artificial intelligence plugin, built specifically for this kind of translation work. It installs as an add-on, working alongside WPML and WordPress itself. Once you've got it set up and configured properly, translating your entire site becomes really easy. Installing the plugin is really easy. First, you install the plugin itself, just like you would install any other plugin on your site. Once it's installed, the provider will send you an API code. You take that code and enter it into the plugin settings area. This step connects the plugin to the artificial intelligence service you're using for translation. Once that connection is made, you can start translating your pages directly through it. Working within the WPML environment gives you the best possible result. The add-on I'm about to show you now is offered by lumowp.com. This plugin is called the WPML AI Translator. It's a separate add-on made by the WPML company. Even though it shares that name, it actually has nothing to do with the WPML company itself. You can see the plugin listed here, ready for you to install on your site. Once you install it, you're free to connect it to any AI service you'd like. You simply choose whichever AI you want to work with, and the plugin gets connected to it. And if you're not sure which one to pick, take a look at the options shown here. Lumo AI is a solid choice for getting the best result. Lumo AI clearly focuses on translation quality, as you can see here. Remember the site, ai.lumowp.com. Let's start by heading into the settings. From there, you'll get an API key. Then connect it to whichever AI model you'd like to use. On top of that, Lumo AI is a model that's already been trained specifically for this task. It can help guide you through the process step by step, so you're not left guessing what to do next. To get this plugin, which I'll introduce a little later in the video, go ahead and use the discount code you see on screen right now. It'll help you save a bit when you sign up for it. Go ahead and enter that code to get your discount. It gives you 20% off your purchase. So you can grab the plugin at a really good price. Once you have it downloaded, go ahead and install it, then take a moment to get it fully set up. Now let's switch over to my browser. I want to show you the site we'll be working on. As you can see, this is lumowp.com, my website. It's currently designed and set up in English. My plan is to translate this same site into both French and German. So this is my website right here, okay? This is the one we'll be working with today. You can see I've already installed and configured the WPML plugin here on the site. If you don't know how to configure it yet, don't worry about it. I have a video that covers that whole process for you. You can watch my previous video where I fully explain, step by step, How to set up the WPML plug-in on your own site. That video is completely free, so make sure to watch it if you haven't already. Once you've installed WPML, take a quick look at what's showing on the screen right now. Keep this point in mind, because we'll build on it as we move through the next part. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. Okay, so what's your overall method for translating pages? Look, if I come here to the Pages section, you'll see all your pages listed right here on this screen. Now look at this right here next to each page. There's a small plus sign sitting beside it. Click the plus sign next to any page you want to work on. That lets you translate that page into another language. This is my home page, so let's start with that one. And if I click the plus sign here, instead of using automatic translation for this page, I can go in and do my own translation manually, word by word. Look, I'm clicking it now, and you can see what happens next, right here on the screen in front of us. It pops up, ready to translate for you. But clicking it just takes you to the WPML website. That's not what we want here. For better translations, there's a step first. You need to make a setting inside WPML settings. So let's head into the WPML settings section now. After I go into the settings, I scroll down to find this section. Here, I change this option from advanced mode over to legacy mode instead. Then you select this mode, classic mode, so the site won't redirect to the WPML version anymore. That's the setting we needed to change. Now if I refresh the page, let's see what happens. Watch what happens when I click here. It shows the strings from our own site, not from WPML's domain. Look closely. All the strings are listed. Everything shows up right here on our own site. That's how WPML works. You simply hit translate here, and it handles the translation for you. Now let's move on. Now let's install the plugin I mentioned earlier. Let me open this page for you. This is the plugin page. This is the AI translation plugin for WPML. You can find this same plugin page on lumowp.com. If you click on this link here, it will take you straight to the pricing table where you can see the different options. It really depends on your particular situation. If you're a website design company, for example, you can purchase licenses covering several sites at once instead of buying one at a time. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. So it's unlimited, and the discount code I mentioned is sitting right here inside this slide. Go ahead and grab it now before we move on. You'll see it displayed clearly on the screen in front of you, so take a moment to write it down. This code gives you a discount at checkout. Make sure you enter it before you finish completing your purchase. You can go ahead and purchase the plugin right here through this link on the slide. Once you've purchased this plugin, all you have to do is come back here to your dashboard. From there, head into the plugin section and install it from there. Look, I've already installed this plugin, so it's sitting here ready for me. All I need to do now is click the Activate button to turn it on. As soon as it activates, the page refreshes and shows the plugin is active. Then I come back here and click directly on the plugin name. You'll find it listed under the lumowp.com menu on the left side of your dashboard. We go into the WPML AI Translator settings. Here's the welcome screen. Now I click on Start to move forward. This takes us to the settings page. On this page, the most important step is entering the API key. This key connects the plugin to the artificial intelligence that handles the translations. I mentioned Lumo AI to you already. It's a model recommended by lumowp.com. It's worth choosing because it performs really well for translation work specifically. That's exactly the kind of performance we need here. Right here, you can click this button to go ahead and get your own API key from Lumo AI. But you're not limited to that one option. You can use other artificial intelligence services too, like Anthropic or Gemini, or whichever provider you happen to prefer. Now, just as an example, I'll choose Mistral instead and enter my API key here in this field. I've entered it, and now I'll click the Save button above to confirm that it's been added correctly. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now, so you can see exactly where each of these settings appears before we move on. And here, if I click the Test Connection option, you'll see it tells me right away that the test was successful. Look, the test worked, which means the connection is set up correctly on our end, and we can move forward with confidence. Now the next thing I need to do is go over to WPML right here in the dashboard. From there, I need to add the AI plugin, and I'll find that option in the translator section of the WPML plugin. So I click on this option here, the middle one. Look closely at where I'm pointing. That's the one we need to select, since it's the one that actually adds the AI translator into our setup. After this, look, you'll see that Loma AI Translator has been added here automatically. If it's not showing up here, meaning if it hasn't been added on its own, you just need to click this button to add Loma as the translator yourself. Once you've added it that way, just check the Pages section to confirm it's there. You should see it listed among the other pages on that screen. Okay, now take a quick look at the button here. Notice where it sits, right next to the other options on this page. Now click the Retranslate button, then pick the language you want, German or French, whichever fits your project. Since I want to test this now, I'll click the Start button. After clicking Start, it takes me straight to the Jobs page. There, it shows what stage the process is currently at, so you always know where things stand. You can see we have 2 translations here, 2 pages being translated right now. And here, the details begin to show up, letting you follow along as they happen. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. Right now, these pages are being translated one by one. One is going into German and the other into French. This page here is still showing the original English version, since its translation hasn't finished yet. In just a few minutes, you'll start to see the other languages appear on screen. And in a moment, you'll also notice that this whole site was actually built using Elementor. So we simply click here, and the artificial intelligence finishes the translations automatically for us. After waiting a bit, you can already see this one has been translated into French. Now if I click this option, watch what happens. This page was originally in English. Look, everything just got translated into the language we wanted. It's fully translated now. And we've got the best translation quality possible, just like this. This one is in English, and this one is in another language. Now if we wait a moment for that process to finish, you'll see German getting completed as well. That's how translation runs in the background while you keep working. There are several other settings inside this plugin. We'll look at those next. Take a quick look at what's showing on screen right now. So you have the option to set your own custom prompts for different sections here. You can see these fields laid out on the screen right now, ready for you to fill in with your own instructions. For example, you can describe a specific topic you want the artificial intelligence to focus on. And in the bulk section, further down, you have that same option available to you as well. You can apply detailed settings to different areas of your site. For example, you can translate some of your own post types here. You do this using this section. You can translate all the titles of a post type here, like all your products. Notice the options listed on screen. You can translate the titles into a language. You can also translate the drop-downs here. And you can translate custom fields here, along with specific strings. Each of these settings gives you more control. It lets you decide exactly how your content gets translated. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. With WPML and Elementor Template, you can translate Elementor templates too. This gives you good translations in other languages. You can use this plugin and even AI here. Best wishes, goodbye. Take a quick look at the screen now.